Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I combine some super fruits that will help to hydrate, nourish and cleanse your system. So stay tuned. Drink. I'll be using mint leaf. Mint leaf is a great herb that will aid digestion. I'll be using beetroot. I've already peeled it, so I will cut it. Beetroot is a good source of potassium and other minerals. It will help to lower your blood pressure. So I will cut it into 4 pieces. I'm using 2 beetroot. I'll be making use of watermelon. So I'm going to peel the watermelon and cut into pieces. Watermelon has multi-benefit for our skin. So incorporating watermelon to your juice will help your skin to heal after breakout and control your skin condition like acne and eczema from inside. Properties that will help to lighten your skin and also fill out any fine lines or wrinkles. I've already peeled the pineapple, peeled the lemon. I will set aside. I'll be adding the fruits and vegetables into the juicer and allow to extract the juice. Have a juicer, you can also use your blender and cut the fruit into smaller pieces and blend until smooth. You can sieve it or drink it like that if you want to enjoy the fiber content. See how colorful the juice looks. This juice is so good. It will help your skin to heal after any breakout. It will also help to lighten your skin, fill out any fine lines. Drink is a general body cleansing drink that will help to cleanse your blood, liver, skin, nourish your skin so that you will have a beautiful skin, and also help for weight loss. You can take this drink if you want to hydrate, nourish and improve your skin tone so that you can have a healthy skin. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.